How you guys doing? Rod Payne here from Fast Guard Service. I want to let you guys know that, we're starting a revolution down here locally in Florida and in California, and New York, and New Jersey. We're giving away free licenses for individuals that qualify. How do you qualify and what are you qualifying for? I know you want to know. So we're giving away in the state of Florida, we're giving away a D license. What a D license is the basic entry level licensure for 40 hours of training for Chapter 493 in the state of Florida that regulates security guard services. So any unarmed security guard. What is an unarmed security guard? It's a guard with no gun. Simple as that. So if you're interested in getting a 40-hour training that usually runs about 250, 300 for absolutely free with our scholarship, you need to follow our rules. They'll be posted on the website. Go there, look at it. We want to get you in. We want to get you qualified. And most of all, we want to get you working. A lot of people are looking for jobs. They're saying that they want to work immediately. They want something ASAP. Step one, you need to be trained. So, if you don't have a license, you're looking to get a license, we're giving away licenses every week. Every Monday, we'll be giving away training for a 40-hour D license class, okay? So how do you get a D license absolutely free? You follow the steps on the website, go under our stories, look up free D license, and it'll be there for you. Good luck, guys, and I look forward to having you on the team.